Listen, I am compelled to put this on video. We have a bunch of geeks here in the Army. Look, turn around. Son Richardson on the phone. My boy right up there, Tim, he's got 2 computers. Oh no, my bad, 3 computers. Computer. I'm making this special Nerds in the Army. So, can you freaking believe this? Look, 2 guys. 2 guys talking about computers.
What I could do is I could put all the music on your...
Hey, what's wrong with your computer, Vern?
Nothing. I'm just trying to learn how to...
I'm doing this special. It's called Nerds in the Army.
Yeah.
The New Age.
I'm
dude,
actually...
check out the PSP boys over here.
Oh yeah, I already got him.
He's Pokemon. His code name is Gamer Name.
Oh my God. Look, there's another nerd that came in talking about his PSP 3. I mean, these guys are freaking... There's a guy named Shandil here. Look, he's doing his shit.
I just bought one online.
I mean, damn.
How much you pay for it?
Are you making a video?
Yeah, it's called Geeks in the Army.
Oh, okay. We're taking a prize?
That guy's man of faith right there, man. Look at that. And there you go, another nerd. I mean, this is crazy. Gamers and nerds.